Mountain lions. This activity, number 4 in our list of activities, is for the Capstone Interactive books. So once you've come to our Destiny Discover page, which you bookmarked in Activity 1, make sure you hit the Login button. And don't forget to use your Jeffco login, which is just your student number and your password like normal. Or once you've been in, sometimes it'll just take you straight there. So if you go in a lot, it might just take you straight there without having to log in again. Today we're going to look at the Capstone Interactive Learning Link. So once you click there, up in the top right corner, there's a login button. And we are really used to just clicking the login with Google option, but we can't use that for this tool. So you're going to need to, in the username box, type the word continue, C-O-N-T-I-N-U-E, and then in the password box, it's reading. So the message, of course, is continue reading, and then you can click the go button there. And check this out, you guys, there are so many books to read in here. There's a mix of both fiction and nonfiction books. Over here on the side, you can filter your search by what grade you're in or the kinds of books you like to read, the interest level. You can look by guided reading level or Lexile range. You can look by language. And I'm just going to give you a quick peek as we start scrolling through. Check this out. There are 4,072 book results. So that's a ton of choices. Not quite as much as our Meiklejohn library, but tons and tons and tons of choices. Look at these really cool things to do, like make things with duct tape and build things and make things with paper. So there's all kinds of fun, like activity books. There's a whole bunch of nonfiction and some graphic novels and all kinds of stuff to read in here. So I hope you take some time to scroll through the Capstone books. Have a great time. I know you're going to love reading these options. Aloha.